if I'm at work and I'm hurt, and I maybe think, well, it's not so bad. And I don't want to bother that guy. He gets bent out of shape about things. I don't want to bother him. I don't want to get, I could maybe get yelled at or something, and it's not that bad. I'll just kind of suck it up and, move on. Then I discover it's a lot worse than what I thought.
Well, you first have proof issues, okay? And that, under the workman's comp statute, you have a mandatory duty to report your injury. And that what happens sometimes, you talk about the statute of limitations barring there, is frankly a very practical statute of limitations. If all of a sudden you got hurt on a Tuesday and 6 months later you say, well, I got hurt at work, you've got to prove that, hey, listen, I really was hurt at work. Now, most of the employers have a set way that you need to report it. And I'm sorry, it still would be better, even if it's minor, if it's something that you really do think is minor, then you make that hard decision. But if it's something minor, you need to report it and prevent from being claimed, hey, listen, this really didn't happen on the job.
So go ahead and just let them know.
Yes.
Well, that's right. Danny's right. And here's the reason, because what may be a minor injury on Monday, 2 weeks later, all of a sudden your neck pain has gone into your back and you need surgery and you've got a pinched nerve. Well, if you haven't reported it in the first place, workers' comp carriers, Danny, don't just look for reasons to pay out checks the last time I checked. And that would be a justifiable reason that they could turn you down.